Good morning, this is Eli from Bay Disposal. Today I have an awesome project I'm going to show you how to do to fix this Mack Roll-off truck. Let's get started. So I'm back here on the back right side of the truck and we've lost a marker light. I noticed this hanging out. Also had some corrosion, so I had to repair the wire first. Got the light working, got a replacement light, and now the grommet, the black piece here, is actually not fitting in because this is all rusted out. It was just falling out. So we have to go ahead and make a plate that's going to go back over this metal, weld it on, and recut this hole that's the proper size to hold this grommet in tight. There's a couple ways you can do this. One of the most simple ways, especially this to make this quick, is grab yourself a piece of plate. I found a piece of 1/8 inch steel in our shop, and it happened to be a scrap piece. What's great is I was able to use a framing square to go ahead and measure out some straight lines and a square on the bottom and make it the right size that fits on this plate. I'm now going to use a cutting wheel to go ahead and score all of this and simply cut this back to size. The next step is to get geared up to do this cut. I have my plate clamped securely to the workbench. I have an angle grinder with a cutoff wheel and a fresh battery so that it doesn't run out. And you got to have eye protection, preferably a big face shield because it keeps all the sparks off of your face. I recommend you do not try to go through the cut all at once. Use the grinder to score the line first, make sure your entire line is scored correctly, and then start to go deeper into the plate until you cut through. Now I'm getting the material on the piece itself, and I'm going to mark with this pin my corners to know where to grind so I can do weld proper. And it's extremely critical on these rusty trucks with existing paint to get to the bare metal in order to get a weld that's secure. Now we need to measure where the existing hole is to match up how we're going to put the hole into this plate, as well as where we're going to locate it so that it sets in the same area. Alright, so we have our finished product here. Our light is properly mounted and secure. The grommet fits good. I went ahead and shot this with some black spray paint, make sure it doesn't rust. Where it was dark, now it's light. We're back on DOT regulated standards. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to have a lot more of these, so stay tuned and thank you for watching.